Hey, it's Warren Howe. Welcome to another episode of topics that I cover. Yep, this is a Loom video. Now, today we're going to talk about increasing our odds, increasing our chances, yep, for the next 10x stock, right? Again, I'm Warren Howe, coach in Financial Fortress, and I run my own coaching programs here in Malaysia, Facademy. So this topic is finding the next 10x, and I'm going to reveal four of 10 sectors or particular industries that I believe will grow, and this will increase our odds of finding the next 10x. Yeah. So the first one is cloud-based computing. Okay, in a world where files are getting larger, yep, data is getting more and more efficient, more accessible, more convenient. Cloud-based computing companies are relevant, and in my opinion, have a product market fit even in 10 years to come. Yeah. So any company that is within that storage space, of cloud, in making workflows get better, because there's a term, digitization 3.0. Now, digitization 3.0 itself leads to a lot of potential investments for the future, because the world, whether we like it or not, the world is getting digitized. Yep. Again, the future is faster than we think. I said it, and I'm going to say it again. Technology is going to improve. People are getting more and more accessible, more and more convenient with what they have. Efficient. Yep. So cloud-based computing definitely has a product market fit for the years to come. The second is data analytics. Now, data analytics, what are the companies that straight away come to mind? Okay, so I'm not going to review the companies today. I'm just talking about sectors and industries. But cloud data analytics and OS-driven companies that are able to either from data warehousing or really give you a solution, right? Big corporations, or give people solutions to based on their data, right? How they manage their data, can eventually predict problems before they even arise. Yep. So data analytics are able to solve problems. Now, what are the companies that come in mind? Hint, hint. Okay. So data analytics definitely has a strong product market fit in the years to come, because data is more accessible. It's getting more and more, right? There's in fact tons of data right now. It's only how do we analyze that data, right? Structured and unstructured data to make us to our benefit. Okay. The third is obviously plant-based meat or plant-based foods. Yeah, but plant-based meat more. Yeah, because it's I believe is one of the sectors that I believe in lesser out of the 10. But plant-based meat will eventually change the way we consume. People are being healthy, right? People are more concerned about health, and all technology are actually revolving around that, right? Apple is doing that. We got, companies with healthcare, genome is happening. So, the population is actually getting more and more healthy. The mortality rate is actually increasing, right? People are dying, at an older age. And plant-based meat products help solve a problem, because it takes huge, input to create meat, right? You need tons of land, you need tons of water. There's a lot of CO2 emissions, right? They're solving a huge problem. So my idea is that if you want to find the next 10x, they must solve a problem that is fit or worthy to be solved. Does that make sense? Yep. So plant-based food, plant-based meat. Yep. Then the fourth is obviously autonomous or EV companies. Okay, so as you guys know, I'm a huge Tesla bull. I'm a huge robotaxi fan. The concept of robotaxi itself creates tons of opportunities. And think about it. 10 years from today, who's going to be continuing to drive ICE cars, right? Internal combustion engine cars. Well, they will probably be, but this is a resource that is depleting. It's a sunset industry for sure. And, in 10 years' time, there'll definitely be more EV cars, provided the production can catch up. And this itself creates another product market fit. Now, within that value chain, and I mentioned this before, within that value chain, who's going to benefit? Yeah, what are the companies that will benefit? Battery miners, right? Battery producers, EV cars downstream, everything within that value chain. Are we identifying the right ones, and are we investing in them today? Yep. So keep that in mind. These are actually snippets of how we can increase our chances of finding the next 10x. But what is more important is that we need to be in a position of power to be identifying them today. No, you know what? Yesterday. Yep. So I hope you got some value out of that. And I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.